Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the cluster stitch. I have a little sample of the cluster stitch for you here. I think it's really a pretty stitch. You can use it for anything. I've seen a lot of baby blankets with it, or you can really use it for any kind of pattern or project. When you use this, you'll usually see in your pattern an abbreviation like CL for cluster, and it will usually tell you how big that cluster is, because your cluster can be a cluster of 3 stitches, 4 stitches, 5 stitches, however many the pattern calls for. And it will usually indicate that in the pattern. So for this exercise, I'm going to do cluster stitches with 3, and they're with double crochets. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to replicate this, what I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my work and start at the edge with an alternative turning chain. If that's a new terminology for you, you can go ahead and look up an alternative turning chain in my YouTube channel. I have that listed there. So what we're going to do is go ahead and put cluster stitches on top of all these ones that we have here. So for this one, we're going to start like we're doing a normal double crochet. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 on the hook. We're going to go through 2 like we normally do, and now we're going to stop. Then you're going to yarn over and insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through 2 and stop. And then you're going to yarn over, go into that same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 and stop. Now you should have 4 loops on the hook, and now you can complete the stitch. And then to finish that off, you would do a single chain at the top. And then you don't do anything else, you go right to your next stitch. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and go through 2. Yarn over, go into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and go through 2. Yarn over, go into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through 2. You have 4 on the loop, 4 loops on the hook. Then you're going to yarn over and go through all 4, and then you'll do your chain to secure. And you can continue to do that all the way across. Yarn over and pull up a loop, go through 2. It's for each case of this, you're not finishing the double crochet until the very end, until you have the number of stitches that the pattern indicates for you to include in that cluster. 4 loops on the hook, and then you complete your stitch. Oh, and then your chain at the end. So you can see you're actually having 3 stitches all in that 1 stitch here below. So that's what your cluster stitch will look like. I hope that's helpful. If you have questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below in the box. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks, everyone.